Hi Cancer, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Ace of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Empress card. A person B here, they have Nine of Wands, Page of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I have King of Wands, which is a very strong energy. It means that, whenever you'll be in this energy, you will go ahead and be so magnetic that you will go ahead and get whatever you want. This also indicates the fire sign. So it could be that either you're dealing with one of those fire signs, or it could also be that you will get into that energy where your magnetism, okay, will be so strong that you can just attract things. So that's the energy that you will be in. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Ace of Pentacles. It means you're looking for a new beginning, which is based more on stability. So you want to start small, you want to have a new beginning, and eventually you want to ensure that there is stability in that particular new beginning. Now the second card that I see for you is Five of Swords, which means competition. There could be some kind of competition, people around you or your person, that's causing a lot of stress and some kind of competition, fighting for your attention. The third card I see is the Empress card, which is a very strong card, and that's a major arcana card as well. Empress energy is when you have the qualities of all the queens. Now it doesn't mean that it is only for females, it is the energy. So you will have the masculine and the feminine energy, and when you are in the Empress energy, you will have the qualities of all the queens, which means that all aspects of your life you will do really good. Now in certain cases, Empress energy is also indicated as the energy where somebody is fertile. There could be some kind of pregnancy, so that could also be the case for some of you. Now for person B, the first card is Nine of Wands, which shows that this person is stressed out. There could be something that's causing them a lot of stress, anxiety. The second card for them is Page of Cups, which means that this person wants to offer you a cup of love. They want to go ahead and talk about emotions, but the way they will do it is not very mature, because Page shows immaturity. Now the third card that I see for this person is Eight of Swords, which talks about stress, anxiety. There's something that this person is a little bit stressed about. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card is Two of Wands, the Lover's card, and the Hanged Man. Now with Two of Wands, it means that for some of you, this person could be having two options and they were physically attracted to both of them. Okay. Now the second card that I see here for them is Lover's card, which is Gemini energy, which shows that there is an emotional connection between the two of you. And the third card that I see is the Hanged Man, which means that there could be a situation where this person will be a little stuck. Now with this, let's quickly also go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is balance spirituality and practicality, which means that you need to balance out, you need to have that balance in your life so that you can achieve spirituality and be practical at the same time. With this, we'll also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Watermelon Tourmaline. The crystal message is, are you looking for romance? Do you need more attention and affection? It is time to nurture yourself and treat yourself the way you would want others to treat you. This is a good time to rev up your self-acceptance and increase your willingness to allow more love into your life. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Shimol that I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.